Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with a 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. Outside the car you've got 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, there's tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the 8-inch touchscreen that features 3D navigation, as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. And some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's done less than 6,000 miles and is packed full of some great tech. You also get speed limit recognition, there's blind spot detection, lane positioning assistance, and the car can also call emergency services in the event of an accident. But if this car's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.